Update 2 on Cyclone Enawo, which is located in the southwest Indian Ocean, 13.2 degrees south, 56.7 east. It's got winds of 50 miles an hour and a pressure of 990 millibars as of 5 p.m. UTC, March the 4th. That would be 9 p.m. in the Mascarene Islands. The storm's expected to move towards the southwest, towards its eventual destination, we expect, which will be Madagascar. And the storm could strengthen significantly before it arrives there, possibly reaching Category 3 status, and some models hinting that the storm will be even stronger than that. But at the moment it looks like there's going to be significant problems possible for the eastern coast of Madagascar in the northern half of the country. Right now, it's 187 miles from its closest point of land in the Seychelles, Cap La Digue. A green alert is in effect, by the way, in Madagascar for storm conditions in the next 2 to 5 days. It's a CDPS Stage 3 on the CDPS scale, which means that significant damage is certainly possible from the storm, particularly in the western half where the strongest winds are presently. So this is what we expect with the wind field as the storm progresses over the next few days into the beginning of next week. As the storm moves towards Madagascar, looks like it will move almost due west towards the country and make landfall potentially as a Category 1 or 2 storm, possibly stronger as models allude to, but that's what we're currently indicating right now. Certainly, that's what people should be preparing for. Sea surface temperatures are sufficiently warm, definitely 28, 29 Celsius, possibly a touch of 30 off the coast of Madagascar there, where there is a green alert in effect, as I already mentioned. No other warnings in effect, I believe, in any other locations. Wind shear, the storm is on the very edge of very high wind shear, but it seems to be on the decrease over the next few days, particularly as the storm draws closer to Madagascar, so watch out for that. The storm could be entering some great conditions for further development. Here's the latest image from RAM. We have no floaters at this time, but that's what the latest image looks like there. Obviously some really high cloud tops. It's been displaying that for some time. Dvorak imagery there, where you can see the storm's convection possibly slightly displaced to the west. And there's a wide shot of what's going on with the system, and there's Invest 97S towards the right hand side of your screen as well. Effects on Madagascar appear to be minimal at this time. Hardly any of the storm has been felt there yet, but that will obviously change in the coming days. By Monday definitely we'll see something. Elsewhere in the tropics, we've got this thing here, Invest 96P, which is located in the Australian region, just off Darwin, actually. And the storm could intensify significantly if it gets its act together, but what it is doing already is producing massive flare-ups of convection. Models were very keen on this, one or two of them were at least, predicting at one point a Category 4. They're now backing down, the HWRF saying that it will be a Category 1 before making landfall on the Kimberley coast of Australia in Western Australia. But at the moment you can see its general movement is towards the southwest and is very close to the Northern Territory's top end right now. So in 2017 so far, we have seen 5 tropical storms and 2 Category 1 hurricane equivalent cyclones, and that one depression in the West Pacific that happened earlier as well. Still a way off the averages, the 1960 to 2016 average at the top of your screen there. In terms of actual numbers, we're at 7 of course. The benchmark set by 1900, 31. Obviously observations weren't so good back then, so it shouldn't be too difficult to beat. But it has been one of the slowest starts to a year on record in terms of ACE, the slowest since 1931. You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com, at your service at any time with its tracker. You can also find us on YouTube, search Force 13 and subscribe if you haven't already. You can also find us on Facebook, search the same keyword Force 13, and it's at Force 13 on Twitter, all in text, if you'd like to engage with us on any of those platforms. If not, we've also got Skype, Fool13 is the way to get in touch, and at extension 9094 on Discord for tropical weather chat.